Dozens of volunteers stood out in the cold during the holidays to ring bells at Salvation Kettles across the metro to help the homeless and less fortunate. For one volunteer, their time spent next to the kettle really paid off today.
Will you marry me again?
Yes.
A redo proposal for Karla Lubeck and fiance Kahm Broham, this time with a diamond.
I didn't know until I got here today, and I started shaking at the thought of it.
Borsheims and the Salvation Army partnered to play Cupid, gifting the lucky couple an engagement diamond in return for their hard work bell ringing for the Salvation Army Red Kettle campaign.
Awesome, unreal, exciting.
The couple were engaged last August but had to put their plans on hold to buy a diamond. This afternoon, in a ringing act of generosity, they were selected as part of the Borsheims' big ring promotion.
When's the wedding?
Winning a 14-karat white gold engagement piece for their efforts bell ringing on 50th and Center Street.
Do good for others and you'll get something back.
The Borsheim's big ring promotion was the first of its kind by the OMAHA chapter of the Salvation Army to encourage volunteering.
There are people who would have nothing, would be without home, without shelter, without food.
And when asked if the couple plans to bell ring next year,
Every year. It's a tradition.
they plan to exchange I-do's September 23rd of 2017 here in Omaha. If you'd like to donate to the Salvation Army's Ring the Town Red campaign, you've still got time. It continues through the 31st.